Good morning and welcome back to the Angry Poolman channel, where we learn how to treat our pool and our pool man. Okay, so this is day 3 at the Tomatillo pool here. Wow, there's so many spiders around here. I don't even know what went on, but I just got stung by something. I think it was a bee. So obviously this pool is not running. I said run it constantly. Speed number 2 is 2,000 RPMs, and it's manual, meaning it will not go off unless somebody comes and shuts it off. So somebody did that, prolonging my time here. Boom, price just goes up. You wonder about this channel, how to treat your pool, man. Dude, help me help you, okay? When you help me get the heck out of here, get back to my family, which is what I want to be doing at 6:15 on a Saturday morning, okay? I love this crap. I live for it. But what do I really want to be doing? I want to be hanging out with my dogs and my wife, okay? Hey, is there something on the map? Sorry about that. There might have been something on the lens there. So anyway, let's fire this thing up and see what's happening. Is there still power to the pump? Okay, yes there is. But look, the door's open and somebody has shut it off. We knew that. No big deal whatsoever. We knew that was going to leak. Okay. So I have a totally new backwash valve here, right? And I also have 4 new quad DE cartridges that I'm just going to swap out right now. But anyway, look at my leak here. Okay. Oh wow, it's making all kinds of leaky noises. I'll come right back. Okay, so we're back here, set up with the mobile unit here that's about to prime up. You can hear. So I got a brand new quad DE backwash. This fits more than just the quad DE, but okay, so brand new backwash valve. Okay, so now I have to go in and cut the old one off, and we're just going to cut it off right here, and we'll add another 2-inch coupler, and we'll get into it that way. This one, I was fortunate enough that I left this much off to bite off, right? So I can put that in, and then we can reposition. So anyway, should not be long, knock on wood. Okay, so maybe some of you know people who are junk collectors, hoarders. I really don't like to call myself that one, but my side yard kind of indicates differently. However, this is what we're doing here. Okay, so this is another set of grids. Okay, so this is for a quad DE, and so this has been running for 2 days, right, since I installed it. Now I've cut it away again because we're going to replumb it with our new backwash valve, right? But before we do that, I'm going to yank all these nasty green. Okay, look, it's doing some work. So this pool will be super cool. Have 2 sets of grids, and so when the next poor slop, who will not be me taking care of this pool, comes here, all he has to do is swap them out and then clean the ones for him to use the next time. Smarter, not harder. Okay, I am done. I'm done replumbing here. And okay, so I had to raise up our filters canister because our exit is going back to the return out the bottom. Here is our evacuation for our, when we need a backwash valve, and here's our inlet, right? Okay, so you guys are watching this. I have not primed this up, so you're watching it like I am. No leaks, baby, no leaks. This is really where I'm watching right here. This was my last junction right here. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Whoop! I'll tell you what, this is what it's all about. I haven't done one of these in a while, in the sense that, like, this is, I knew the last ones were gonna work. I didn't know if this one was gonna work. Look at that, look at that. It's going right in. This is a wonderful thing. I got mine working. I'm a little lost for words here. No heat stroke right now, but yeah, there's no leaks. I'm so stoked. Yeah, they're gonna, this is not the best for storage, but this is not a storage area. This is the equipment room. And yeah, I am super stoked. Our VS pump is working great. And somebody changed that too. All right. So yeah, we need to, oh yeah, it's sucking air. So we need to add some water. Okay. Okay, this is all good. This is all really, really good. Okay, I'll come back. Okay, my day is done. I don't know. I'm doing these replums a little more lately, and I really like them. I feel good about them. They're, you know, used to really stress me out, but just turn this off so we can hear each other. Yeah, so I mean, there's no leaks. It is all just totally bone dry. Now you might hear that. That's the old pressure release valve, but we have two sets of grids, right? And so, and this is just like Gary's pool, right? So, you know, I got some bricks around this plastic riser, and then of course we have, this is such old plumbing, you know, unless I'm chipping out the concrete and replacing that with all 2-inch, that's what had to be done. And yeah, so this is my work here, all of the newer work above, and a new backwash valve, old quad DE, old VS pump. But hey, this pool is starting to really look much better. In fact, I can't see the bottom yet. Okay, can't see the bottom yet, but yeah, this is way better. And look at that. We got a lot of really great flow. And then I'm pretty much guessing that there's a return line right along here, around somewhere, and it's shooting in this direction. And then we have one over on this side, which is shooting in the other direction. And you kind of see this welling up here in this area. But you know, like I said, I feel really good about this, and even since we've been here, the water is improving. Now, I did 4 filter cleans on my own piece of equipment. Look at all this. I have to still hose down off the deck here, but yeah, the water is already starting. You can see the step. Water's really starting to improve, and I'm sure that if I come back tomorrow, which I'm not, but I'll send the homeowner probably be coming over here checking on his property, and we can communicate, and hopefully he'll give me some photos. Guys, if you got anything out of this, give me a like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and comment if you got something to say. You know what? I'm your original swimming pool fiduciary working for you out here in the field. I'm the Angry Pool Man. Guys, be excellent to each other, and I'll see you on the next video.